What if I told you that one man bought a truck in 1976 and never let it go? This Chevy K20 Camper Special has survived disco, denim, and decades, and it's still ready to roll. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because today we're rolling straight into 1976, a time when disco was hot, gas was cheap, and trucks like this Chevrolet K20 pickup Camper Special ruled the American road. I think what I like the most about this rig is how it manages to look both rugged and friendly, like your neighbor who'll help you move, but also won't return your chainsaw for 6 months. Before we dive deeper into this time capsule on wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more stories about vintage campers that smell like pine, gasoline, and freedom. Now, this original owner 1976 Chevy K20 4x4 was bought new in Lakewood, Colorado, and fitted with a Mitchell & Sons Little John slide-in camper just weeks after purchase. That combo made it part truck, part home, and all adventure. Under the hood sits a replacement 461 cubic inch, 7.6-liter V8 installed in 1997. Mated to a 4-speed manual with a gear vendor's overdrive unit. Power steering and locking rear differential and manually locking front hubs made it a real backcountry bruiser. I believe any truck that can climb a mountain while heating up dinner in the back deserves a medal. The exterior wears a spring green paint job that looks like it was inspired by a 1970s avocado fridge. Chrome bumpers, dual fuel tanks, and stainless camper mirrors complete the look, while rust and a few dents tell stories of decades spent doing real truck work. Those 16.5-inch wheels with polished hubcaps ride on trail handler radial APT tires, the kind that could take you from a Colorado driveway to a muddy forest trail without breaking a sweat. Inside, the cab is pure 1970s charm, a saddle vinyl bench with tartan midsections, a heater, and an AM/FM stereo that probably blasted more Johnny Cash than anyone cares to admit. The camper, built in January 1976, features wood veneer, green carpet so plush it could hide your keys, and a kitchenette with a 3-burner stove, oven, sink, and fridge. There's even a dining area that converts into a bed, perfect for 2 adults and 1 confused dog. With 77,000 miles, about 124,000 kilometers on the odometer, this beast has spent its life in loving hands. The seller even tossed in the original sales documents and hydraulic camper jacks. Talk about commitment. Sold for $11,750, around 10,900 euros, on October 23, 2024. This Chevy proves that true adventure doesn't need Wi-Fi or a touchscreen dashboard. Just a big heart and a full tank. I think what makes this K20 special is its personality. It's not trying to impress anyone. It just wants to haul your dreams, your gear, and maybe a few too many cans of chili.